Welcome. Today, we're diving into a cool feature on Discord that lets people connect with you using just your phone number. If you're looking to broaden your circle of friends, or just want an easier way to connect, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. Once you're in, locate your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your user settings. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Give that a tap to access the Settings menu. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Discord experience. Now, we want to focus on privacy settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Safety section. This is where you can manage who can interact with you and how. Scroll down until you see the Discovery Permission section. This is where the magic happens. To allow others to add you using your phone number, simply turn on the option labeled Phone, and that's it. You've successfully enabled the ability for people to find and add you on Discord by your phone number. It's an excellent way to enhance your networking with friends and fellow gamers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on navigating your favorite apps. Happy chatting!